Go get him. Go get him. She was just chasing the trucks just a little while ago. She loves being in the snow, right? You like being in the snow? Do you want to go upstairs? She's at it again. And once she made a path in the snow. Or else that's just the snow falling from the wires above. Oh, no, it's not. It's a shadow of the fence. Who knew? And she sees another truck. Ginger, come on. Come on. Oh dear, I gotta go get her. Oh dear. Want a cookie? Come on. I better go get her. There she comes. There she comes. Show her the word cookie. Come on. Cookie. Come on. Come on. Are you coming? Come on, Cookie. Look. I got a cookie for you. Come on. Come on. There she comes. And that's how you get a dog inside. See? No evidence. She's there.